Hello everyone, my name is Ibrahim Mukaila and I'm an instructor with Zacrac Learning. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the in operator in the where clause. So what do you mean by the in operator? So at times you have a couple of values and you just want to check which particular value rows that's a particular column fall in between those things. What do you mean by this? Yeah, let's see this. Yeah. So let's say I have USA, I have UK, and I have things like Canada, and I have an employee table. And I only want to see employees that belongs to any of these countries. So all I need to do is use an in operator in my where clause to check for employees where their countries belongs to any of these. Still theoretical, right? Let's dive in and let's see what's going to happen. So I have a table here called offices. So I'm just going to do select everything from offices so we can see what we have. I'm just going to run this, yeah. And if you see the country of offices, we have some country offices in US, some in France, some in Japan, some in Australia, and some in UK. So let's say I just want to see the offices that are either in France, USA, or Australia, for example. So how do I do this? That's where the in operator comes in. I have three different countries that I want to see the office details that belongs to them. So that's what the in operator does. So I'm just going to do it. Select everything from offices, and I'm going to say where country in because I want to provide a list of values here. So I'm going to use in into it, and then I'm going to open a bracket. So I'm going to close it too. So inside that bracket, I'm just going to say I said USA, anyone that belongs to USA, anyone that belongs to France, and anyone that belongs to Japan. Let's just stay there, yeah? So I need offices that in USA, France, and Japan. So if you read this, we have three in USA, one in France, and one in Japan. That's about five out of the seven offices that we have. So if I run this, you will just see that. Yeah, you see, we are just seeing those five: USA, France, and Japan. Just to be sure, I'm just going to copy this and paste it below. And I'm not going to use USA, France, and Japan. I'm going to use France and Australia, and I'm going to remove USA from this so we can see it could be any kind of value we want. So when I run this, it's just going to return for me France and Australia. So, of course, your N could be a digit, it could be a date, it could be a text, anyhow you want it. But the major thing is you have a list of values, a limited list of values that are in range, and you want to see the rows that has their values between one of those list of values that you have. So that's it. Thank you for watching. And if you'd like to learn more on databases, on data sciences, on analytics, and other data science courses, kindly log on to www.sacraclearning.com. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to this channel, and please do not forget to drop a comment below. Thank you for now, and